Okay, so we mentioned that these planes are aligned with the center line of the stick, not the face. So how we're doing that is basically measuring one of the edges. In this case, I've selected the top edge of the stick, which you can see highlighted in green up here. We're just basically using that length to understand the width of your stick, which is a square stick, so it's the same in both directions. And we're just dividing that by 2, and we're using that as our number to push the planes back to the center of the stick rather than the face. The way we obtain the position for our um, placement is with the area command, which gives us the centroid or center point of the stick, which you can kind of see here with this little green dot. And that will be the center of our plane. The evaluate surface tool is a very important tool to understand. Remember, we have to reparameterize any surface. So always make sure this little symbol is on. This gives us the perpendicular direction. And of course, we need that for matching the orientation of the robot gripper as it approaches. So we use plane normal um, component because it allows us to locate the center of the plane, but more importantly, it allows us to select the Z direction or the perpendicular direction of the plane. Um, that would give us a plane on the face of the stick, which if we move in a little more, you can see it here in green. But what we want is to move that in. Let me see if we get a better view. We would like to move that into the center in red here. And so we use that move command. And in this case, we're moving in a negative direction, and it's the half the width of the stick. So once we are able to make those adjustments, then we can copy and move that plane over to the left, since we're coming in from the left as an approach. So this requires that we consider which direction we're approaching. And let's see how we're going to adjust the rest of these planes to create all three approach, attach, and retract planes.